I am a spiritual director and I companion people in the process of waking up, because that's what I think spiritual life is, one where people are awake to what I call reality, which is for me a synonym for the word God. God is reality. God is here now in this room. You, Stephen, you met me standing on my feet, woke up at 5 o'clock this morning and I'm tired, but here and now I'm awake and God's in this room. How do I wake up? That's the big thing, because I think most of us are asleep, myself included, most of the time. I will just tell you one of my tricks, and that's dreams. I use my dreams to help me wake up. Everybody dreams every single night of their life, and I'm very blessed to remember my dreams. I write little words down in the dark, and I sometimes can read what I wrote. I often remember my dreams, and I am very blessed to receive single sentences that are extremely directive, that really help me change the directions in which I walk. I believe God's telling me how to go, and I will tell you a recent dream which was extremely clear, and the dream said riding shotgun. So what does the dream mean? The dream means I'm not driving the car. I'm riding shotgun. And that means that although I'm the passenger and I have to pay a lot of attention, because what if the driver, that is God, reality, gets distracted? I have a lot of responsibility, but I'm not driving the car. As I said, I work with my dreams every single day of my life, and I have been very blessed to have very many what I call big and guiding dreams. I'll tell you another one of my dreams. This is a dream where I wake up knowing this. I am rowing alone to an island on God's holy day, the 13th, to plant seeds of uncertainty and unknowing. That was the dream. A life-changing dream, and I've been working with that dream since I had it, and that was in 1997. It's now 2018, so that's a year or two. And over the years, when I've worked to understand the dream more myself, and worked with my analyst, my Jungian analyst, and my own spiritual directors, I have understood the dream to tell me I am rowing. I have to use my will alone. We're all on a solo journey to an island, to space that is mine, just mine. Sea journey. Sea is the unconscious, where we receive gifts from the unconscious, where God tries to wake us up in a multitude of ways, through dreams, through lots more, but I'll just stick with dreams. And I have to plant seeds of uncertainty and unknowing. And for me, that's my life's work, to know that I can't know. I don't know and I can't know, and I'm not running the show. And that dream, although I've worked it to understand it to this point, is going to teach me for the rest of my life. So, there are a whole lot of different ways of working with dreams. But if you know that everything in the dream has meaning, that's really important. Dreams are usually about people. The dreams I've given you are not so much about people, but dreams are usually about people, and they're usually aspects of yourself that the divine or reality is wanting you to wake up to. So when you dream about your brother, who you actually basically loathe, you need to pay attention and have 3 associations to Brother Jim, say 3, or the 3 qualities of Brother Jim, and then look at your own Brother Jimness. So reclaim these projections. The dreams are all about us, always. Every single person in the dream, every single image in the dream, every single thing that's occurring in the dream is a message from the divine to us and is about us. So we're really waking up to the reality of who we are, because we're all God anyway.